Wild Mouse is a wild mouse roller coaster located at Beech Bend Park in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Today I'll be reviewing it, telling you what I liked about the ride, what I didn't like about the ride, and whether or not you should ride Wild Mouse if you choose to visit Beech Bend. Hi, I'm Jonathan, and welcome to Storming Coasters. Starting off, Wild Mouse is an amazing 42.7 feet tall. It manages to speed up to 29.1 miles an hour at its fastest point and has a track length of 1,377.9 feet. The duration is 1 minute and 30 seconds, and you will pull an amazing 2.5 G's on this ride. This ride doesn't really look that amazing because it's a wild mouse, but because it's a wild mouse, you can get a whole heck of a lot of footage. This ride has no theming in the queue line, and the line gets pretty long too, so you'll have nothing to do except watch the coaster cars go through the layout. If you're riding with a group, I'd recommend riding with 2 people in one car, and I'd have both people to one side of the car. For example, one on the outside right and one on the center right, or one on the outside left and one in the center left. That way you can spin more, and let me tell you, if your vehicle is off balance, you will spin like you wouldn't believe. I'm not going to share the layout with you because most of the ride, literally all I'd be saying is hairpin turn, straight track, hairpin turn, straight track. You do get airtime in 3 moments of this ride. The first one is on the first small little dip. The second airtime moment is as you ascend this weird double down like element and it levels out a little bit. And the third is the end of the ride when you're about to turn into the brakes. And they all are some insane ejector pops. This ride is just a little bit rough, but it won't ruin your day. Now, would I recommend Wild Mouse when you visit Beech Bend Park? Absolutely, it's a great wild mouse. Now, if it didn't have those airtime pops, I don't think I'd be saying that you should necessarily ride it. But that's going to wrap up today's review. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry it was a bit short, but there isn't really much to talk about since it is a wild mouse. Anyways, please subscribe to Stormy Coasters and like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment your thoughts on Wild Mouse at Beech Bend if you've ridden it, and have a good day.